Good morning. Today is Monday, August 12th, and I want to tell you about a few things here. Remember on Friday's video I was talking about Apple? I was talking about Apple, and I was expecting the market to move down from these levels, if you recall. I said between 466 and 470 we should get resistance, right? And we did get the resistance. The market came back down, fell to about 453 and change. And on Friday, I was telling you that if the market was able to pull down to this level, roughly 440. Now, I know it's a big stretch. It's quite a drop. Well, not that much on a $450 stock. It's not that much of a drop. But as the market was like a little selling off on Friday, Apple hit like 453 and change. What I decided to do was I decided to sell some puts, the 440 puts that expired coming this Friday, August 16th. I sold them for 68 cents on Friday afternoon, okay, the 440. So my time risk was only 5 days. Plus, if it hit 440, I'd be long anyways. If it closed below 440, I'd be long the stock. Apple at $440, which I think is a bargain. So waiting for that pullback, again, on that weakness Friday, I sold the 68-cent put with the strike of 440, okay? So as you can see, the market opened up today and rallied quite a bit, and I actually closed that trade out this morning at about 10:30. I closed this out at 24 cents. So collected 46 cents there, right? 42 cents if I can do math, 44 cents rather. So that was a quick, less than a 24-hour trade from Friday afternoon to Monday morning. Again, I'm definitely bullish on Apple and thinking it would come down to 440, but on that weakness, instead of just buying the stock, I wanted just to sell the put. So I made some money on that one. That was a short-term trade. Again, it expires this Friday. So I decided, since it opened up and started rallying, I decided just to take it off the table, start again, right? So look at it right now, 465.17. Sold that put on Friday afternoon when the market was breaking down through 455, hit 453, 453.65. Again, I got that put at 68 cents and closed it out at 24 cents. So that's one of the things that I did. SSO this morning, as you recall, SSO is the ETF of the S&P 500. I'll show you exactly what I did. Again, this is another put play, and I just put it on this morning. As you know, the market did gap lower today, so I'm looking at my options chains. And again, I typically leave the options talk to Doc or Dave Lucas, but I do trade a lot of the puts, the calls, selling the puts, selling calls at times when I'm long the market. But this morning when it opened up lower, I looked at my chain, and what I decided to do is I looked out. This is a little longer term, but right here, 81. Okay, the underline's 81. Okay, so I drew a line there. That would be a support. Granted, it would be breaking down to the 50 exponential, but again, it's just slightly below the 38.2% retracement from this low to the all-time high, between the 38 and the 50% retracement. So I looked at my my September 20 chain at the strike of $81, right? $81. And I was actually able to get that at a price of $1.49. I sold the put at $1.49. So for every 10 puts you sell, you're collecting $1,490. Of course, if you put the ETF, right, you'd be owning 1,000 shares at $81, right? So you need $81,000 in your account to take a trade like this, right? So this is, this is what I did. So again, September 20 expiration, got it at $1.49. All right, 81. So at $81, sold the put at $1.49, and again, September 20 expiration. That put right now is worth $1.42. So up about 6-7 cents on that. Not a whole lot, but again, it's September 20th expiration. Again, if the market were to come down to this level, I would glad to own the SSO at $81 if by September 20th we're trading at or below that. So if we get a bounce up here, and if we get any type of retest of this high, this option will be, you know, a fifth of where it's at right now. So we'll see. That's one trade I put on. Let me tell you another one that I'm waiting for, and that's the TBT. Again, I'm not long this market anymore. I want to get long, though. I would love to own it at $73.50 right here, and I would love to own it at $72 right down in here. So what I did was I sold the upper one right here, the 73.5. I sold the August 16th, put. Again, I'm looking to collect 36 cents on this. I'm not even filled on that yet, so I need for the market to come down. So for August 16th expiration, collect 36 cents on that. Not a whole lot, but I'd love to own it here. And then I sold out further September 20th down here for $72 right here. Looking to collect $1.30 on that. So again, a lot of put trades today. A lot of put trades, but again, these markets are markets I would love to own. So that's why I'm willing to collect the premium on it, and if I don't get put, I still make money on it. So waiting for the pullbacks on the TBT, I'm willing to do. I'm willing to wait for that. Gosh, I know I'm rambling here, but so I'm waiting for, okay, I'm long the SSO. I'm waiting for the TBT. I did the Apple put, right? Look at this, 465 and change. Gold opened up higher today. I would really love to own this, and again, this morning, even when it opened up higher, I know you're supposed to sell the puts into weakness, but it opened up higher. I've been wanting to hold silver and gold for a while, and I haven't been able to get in. So what I did today was for this August, look again, August 16th expiration, 5 days, right? I sold the August 16th put, collected at let's see, at a strike of 126. I would love to own it at 126. I didn't collect a whole lot. I collected 28 cents. Not a whole lot, 28 cents for a 126 put. I sold it this morning. Collected 28 cents and expires this Friday. So if the market comes down, I'd be happy to own it right in here. So again, I know I rambled a lot of puts. Again, the markets to take a look at: Apple, TBT, SSO, and gold. Currently long, well, sold the put on gold. SSO, I'm waiting for TBT. Put trade on Friday afternoon on Apple as the market kind of sold off below 455. The underlying 440. The market's up considerably today, and I took it off with a profit. So hope that helps. And if you got any questions on any of this, let me know. Or even Doc. Doc is the option pro, although I trade him very actively as well. Have a great day. Bye for now.